Okay. Don't know if you can see that. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Never Fail Eyeliner 16-hour color navy. And I like it because you can roll out the little tip. And I'm going to have to use my mirror. I don't like to do my entire eye. Sometimes I will if it's like a special occasion, but most of the time I just use halfway around the top of my eye and the bottom of my eye, just to make my eyes look a little bit wider. And then you can just rub it in a little bit. I use a navy because it highlights my eyes. So, looking a little bit better. Got to do the finishing touches.